Hi folks and welcome to Bricking It. So tonight we're bringing you an unboxing video called Something Old, Something New, Something Promotional and Something Easter. Let's get to it. So first up, the old. So this is an eBay purchase from the Retro Night UK. So thanks very much. And we'll see what is inside. Very well packaged. And it is set 40450, the Amelia Earhart tribute. Now this is a set from 2021, which I've been keeping my eye out because I quite fancied building it for my own personal collection. Next up, the new, in a nice big ready-to-ship box. So let's see what this is. Fun fact, while I'm opening it, this package weighs 3.3 kilograms. And here we have the Lord of the Rings, the Shire set. Let's get that. Let's have a look at the other side. Yes, there we go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Set 10354. Lego Icons, Lord of the Rings, the Shire. With some fantastic minifigures. Obviously Frodo, Sam, Gandalf the Grey, Bilbo, and many others. And here we have a second box from Lego.com, containing both the promotional and the Easter. Let's have a look. So, the promotional first comes with purchases of the Shire, although not anymore because I think the promotional period has ended. It is set 4761, Lego Icons, Smeagol and Deagle. Then, last but not least, the Easter. And because of the value of the spend, that qualified me for the Easter gift we purchased at the time, which is set 4764, the Easter Bunny Surprise. This 217-piece set for ages 7 and above. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and ding that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and more videos will be coming soon.